Alrighty folks, here's a big one. Motorcycle insurance. If you're riding the UK, you already know how expensive it can be, especially if you're younger or just starting out. But what if I told you there are proven ways to cut those premiums down without compromising your cover? Now, stick with me on this ride because I'm breaking down the exact steps you can take to lower your motorcycle insurance in the UK. The first thing would be to choose the right bike. One of the biggest factors in your premium is the bike itself. Insurance companies in the UK use a 1 to 17 group rating system. For instance, what I'm on right now is a Honda CBR 500R. For example, it's cheaper to insure than a litre superbike, of course. And of course, the 125cc learner bikes are usually cheaper still. If you're looking to cut costs, start by picking a bike in a lower insurance group. Sometimes just dropping down one class can save you hundreds a year. And it's really interesting sometimes, people don't even think about checking this out first. The next thing I would say is build experience and no claims. Your riding experience matters. Statistically, new riders are more likely to make a claim, which is why under 25s pay the most. For every year you ride without an accident, you build a no claims bonus, and that can shave off a massive chunk. So after 5 years, riders can save up to 60% compared to their first year premium. That means ride safe, avoid claims, and the savings will follow. Next up, I would say security measures. Insurers love security. If your bike is garaged overnight instead of left on the street, expect lower premiums. Add an approved ground anchor, an alarm, or a tracker, and you'll usually see a discount. That's improved devices in particular recognised by UK insurers. Basically, the harder it is to steal your bike, the less you will pay. Next up, training courses. Extra training not only makes you a better rider, it makes you a cheaper one in the eyes of insurers. Courses like I Am Road Smart or Roswell Advanced Riding can unlock discounts because they prove you're a lower risk. Even an Enhanced Rider Scheme (ERS) assessment can help. Think of it as an investment. A day of training might save you every year on your policy. Alright, let's think about policy tweaks now. You'd be surprised how much tweaking your policy can save you. Reducing your annual mileage can drop the price because statistically you're exposed to fewer risks. Adding a named experienced rider can also lower premiums, and if you can pay annually instead of monthly, you'll avoid interest charges that bump that cost up. Okay, let's talk about third party versus comprehensive. Now here's a common myth. People think third party only is always cheaper. In reality, in the UK, sometimes fully comprehensive is less expensive because riskier riders tend to go for the basic cover. Always get quotes for both because you might be shocked at the results. Now, of course, I'd also say compare and make sure you shop around. Don't just auto-renew. Use comparison sites like Compare the Market, Go Compare or Money Supermarket, but also check direct insurers like Bennett's or Hastings, Bikeshaw, because not all companies are on the aggregators. So shop around every year. Insurers rely on loyalty to bump up your premiums. Alright, the other thing is extras and add-ons. Be careful with the optional extras. Legal cover, breakdown cover, or helmet and leathers cover might sound useful, but they can often be bought separately for less. Only add what you really need. The more streamlined your policy, the cheaper it stays. Okay, let's wrap this up now. So, to bring it all together, pick the right bike, protect your no claims bonus, secure the machine, invest in training, and never stop shopping around. Motorcycle insurance in the UK doesn't have to drain your wallet, but it does pay to be smart. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up or so more riders can see it. Subscribe or follow for more real world motorcycle advice and ride-along commentaries, and drop a comment for me please below. What's the biggest saving you've managed to make on your bike insurance? Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the ride. Take care.